In this video, we will see that how you can fix the PS5 error CE-117773-6. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So the first thing you should check is that if the PlayStation Network servers are up and running, because sometimes the issue is on their end. And if that's not the problem, then you should give your PS5 a fresh start by power recycling it. Just turn it off, unplug it for a bit, and then plug it back in. If you have a PS Plus subscription, try downloading a game from the PS Plus connection, as this can sometimes clear up the error. You can also try accessing the PlayStation Store from another device, like from the PS app on your phone or computer. If that doesn't work, go into your PS5 settings and restore your game licenses. So to do that, go to settings, then here go to users and accounts, then go to other, go to restore licenses, press X on it, go on restore, press X, wait for a few seconds, and the licenses will be restored. You should also make sure that your system, software, and games are all up to date. To check it if it's up to date, in your settings, go to System, then go to System Software Update and Settings, and here you will see if there is any update available or not. Now, if you are still stuck, you should try rebuilding a database in safe mode, or if it's just a game that's causing a trouble, try uninstall and reinstalling it. And sometimes a wired connection can be better than a Wi-Fi, so you can try connecting your router to your PS5 through a Ethernet cable. And if all of this fails, you should reach out to Sony's customer support through their website or on the app. So hope all of this information was helpful, and thanks for watching.